Cold today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are doing this topic, clocks. So I asked you a question in the last class. The question was, what will be the angle covered by the minute hand? Minute hand is this. You can
Yes,
take
sir.
Sir, 34 degree.
you can take help of the seventh point. You have to tell me the angle covered by the minute hand in 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Angle covered by the minute hand in 15 minutes. Yeah, tell me. Yes, tell me the answer.
Sir, 450 degree.
How much?
450 degree. 450 degree.
450 degree. 450 डिग्री कैसे आ गया? कॉमन सेंस भी लगा सकते हैं.
सर्कल का तो रोटेशन ही 360 होता है.
Sir, what? Sir, please repeat the question.
I am asking you that what is the angle covered by the minute hand? Minute hand की help आप यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. I told you. Are you all able to see this? Where I am pointing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Still,
Seventh point. So you can take help from this and tell me the angle covered by the minute hand in 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
Sir, 15 into 6. 2.5. 2.5. Sir, 15 into 6.
15 into 6. Very good. 15 into 6. The answer is 90 degrees. This is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir, chat box में answer दे. Sir, please.
I want to show you a video which is based on clocks. I think you are finding it a little difficult. It is not difficult actually, but it is something new for you also. Let me show you a video. I'm searching for the video. Okay. Okay, next one. Can you
Welcome to learn about clock.
Can you tell me what is the angle covered by the clock? Sorry, the minute hand. Angle covered by the minute hand in 7 minutes. Can you tell me what is the angle covered by the minute hand in 7 minutes?
Sir, 42 minutes.
42.
42.
Simple सी बात है. 1
42.
minute में it is covering 6 degrees.
42, sir. So it's 42.
Yeah, correct. 42 degrees is the right answer. In 1 minute, the angle covered is 6 degrees. So the angle covered in 7 minutes will be 6 multiplied by 7, 42 degrees. Okay, now is it clear? And 15 degrees, you can simply just easily tell the answer. 15 minutes का मतलब क्या होता है? Suppose the minute hand is at 12. 15 minutes यानी कि कहाँ पे आ जाएगा minute hand?
3 पे.
Yes, sir.
3. from 12, it will come at 3. So what is the angle? This angle is 90 degrees.
राइट एंगल
है या नहीं है?
90
90 degrees.
Yes.
आप चेक भी कर सकते हैं. 6 multiplied by 15. What is the angle? 90 degrees.
90
These are
degree.
right angle. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is what the meaning is of the question that I asked you. Angle covered by the minute hand in 15 minutes. यानी कि जब वो minute hand 12 पे था और 3 पे आ जाएगा, तो what is the angle covered? You can find out with the help of this. In 1 minute it is the angle covered is 6 degrees, and in 15 minutes it will be 15 multiplied by 6,
90
which is equal to 90 degrees. Got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the angle covered by the minute hand in 30 minutes? 30 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 180.
180. 180.
180
Very good.
180
Sir, 180 degree.
180 degree.
180 degree, sir.
Yes, sir. 30 into 6.
Sir, 180 degree.
Very good. Okay. Okay, next question. धीरे धीरे मैं थोड़ा level बढ़ाऊंगा. I hope you all can answer. I'm not able to find a good video on internet, so that idea is dropped. I'm dropping that idea. For now, I'm dropping it. I will see if I can find a good one. I will show you in the next class if I find a good one. Okay. So
Sir.
next question is, okay, what is the angle covered by minute hand when the clock, earlier the clock was showing time, the time was this earlier. I'm mentioning the time here. I hope you all have done this in your copies. Now you don't
Yes, sir.
require this.
Yes, sir.
This is required. So what is the angle covered by the minute hand in this time? Angle covered by the minute hand in this time. Earlier the time was 4:10 p.m. Now the time is 4:35 p.m. You have to tell me the angle covered by the minute hand.
Sir, to 10 to 35 तक.
Yes, yes. 4:10 to 4:35.
Sir, 150.
Sir, 150.
Sir, 150
degree.
So what is the total difference between the times? What is the difference?
25 minutes.
It is 25 minutes. The difference between the time is 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
The difference
25 minutes.
25 minutes is the difference between the times. So what is the angle covered in 25 minutes? In
150 degree.
1 minute the angle covered is 6 degrees.
6
Unitary
degree.
method याद है आप लोगों को? In 1 minute the angle covered is 6 degrees. So in 25 minutes what will be the angle covered? 6
150
multiplied by
degree.
25, that is 150 degrees. Clear or not? All of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The topic
Yes,
is
sir.
easy or not? Is it easy? The topic is easy.
Sir, easy.
Good. Yeah, next one. So now you tell me what is the angle covered by the hour hand when it was 4 o'clock, 4:10. The earlier the time was 4:10 p.m. Okay, and now the time is 6:10 p.m. You have to tell me the angle covered by the hour hand. Angle covered by the hour hand between these two times. From 4 p.m. to 6:10 p.m. What is the angle covered by the hour hand?
Sir, 60 degree.
Okay, I have taken your answer. I will tell whether it is correct or not. I'm not telling the answer right now. Let others also try.
Sir, 360 degree.
Sir, 60 degree.
Okay. I am
Sir,
taking-
60 degree.
Okay, I have taken the answer. Let me
Sir, it's 60 degree.
60 degrees. किसके बारे में हमको फाइंड करना है यहाँ पर? We have
Sir,
to find about our hand. So what is the first of all the hour hand in 1 hour? The angle covered by the hour hand is 30 degrees. You all can see this here. The angle covered by the hour hand in 1 hour is 30 degrees. And what is the difference between the times here? What is the difference? Between
2
the
hours.
The difference is 2 hours. So in 1 hour, the angle covered is 30 degrees. What will be the angle covered in 2 hours? 30 multiplied by 2, that is 60 degrees is the right answer. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. More questions. So you can note down these. I hope you all are noting down the questions in your copies also. Are you doing them in your copies? You can note down these two questions. I'm telling you the question. First one is, what is the angle covered by the minute hand? Note down the question. What is the first one? This is the first one.
What is the angle
What is
covered
the angle covered by
by
the minute hand? What is the angle covered by the minute hand?
Sir,
Yes.
it's not clear.
What is
Sir,
not-
yes,
I'm not writing anything better. This is question number 1. I told you that
410.
you have to write these questions in your copies. Question 1 is,
सर बोर्ड ने
Sir, after from
what is the angle covered by the minute hand from 4:10 p.m. to 4:35 p.m.? What is the angle covered by the minute hand from 4:10 p.m. to 4:35 p.m.? So after this, you have to do this question. And then question number 2. This is your question number 2. Similarly, you will note down the second question also. What is the angle covered by hour hand from 4:10 p.m. to 6:10 p.m.? What is the angle covered by the hour hand? In first question, it is minute hand. In the second question, it is hour hand. What is the angle covered by the hour hand? from 4:10 p.m. to 6:10 p.m.
upon 60.
Done, all of you?
Sir, I'm doing the second question.
What is the angle covered by our hand from 4:10 p.m. to 6:10 p.m.? I hope you
Yes,
all
sir.
can solve this in your
Question.
copies. Or may I
Yes,
tell
sir.
you?
Its
how to
answer
solve?
is 60,
Sir,
60 degree.
Yeah, second one, the answer is 60 degrees. 60 degrees.
So please tell again how it's come.
Yeah, see this. I'm doing the second one here. Question 2, I'm telling you how to do this. Can you all find the difference between the times easily?
sir, I have done.
So from 4:10 p.m. to 6:10 p.m., the difference between the times is 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yes, sir.
Now you know that in 1 hour, the angle covered by the minute hand, sorry, the hour hand
30 degree.
is 30 degrees. यहाँ पर लिखा है ये देखिए. Point number, I think it was point number 9. In
Yes,
1 hour,
sir.
the angle covered is 30 degrees. And so, what will be the angle covered in 2 hours? 30 multiplied by 2. Simple. So you can.
Okay, sir.
There is no need to
60
write down
degree.
the statements.
Sir,
Reasoning you will always get in MCQs form only. Reasoning will be in MCQs only, in the form of MCQs. So there is no need to write down these statements.
Sir,
You can simply find the answer like this. What is the angle? 60 degrees. Clear?
Yes,
Angle
sir.
covered by the hour hand in 2 hours is 60 degrees. Okay. Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question 3. Are you ready for the question 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to tell me what is the angle covered by our hand again. What is the angle covered by our hand again?
Angle
What is the angle covered by our hand in?
by
Angle covered by our hand
our hand
in
and
20 minutes. Angle covered by our hand in 20 minutes. I hope you all are writing the question in your copies. What is the angle covered by our hand in 20 minutes?
Sir, 600 degree. Into 20. Sir, 600 degree.
Okay, wait, just wait.
Sir, 10.
10 degrees.
Sir,
Your
10.
answer is 10 degrees.
Sir, 10. Yes.
Okay, let me just check. I think 10 degrees is the right answer.
Yes.
Others
Sir,
are
we will do division.
sorry?
Sir, we will do division here.
I wait, I'm telling you what to do.
0.5 is equal to 1/2.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we know that in 1 minute, what is the angle covered by our hand in 1 minute? Angle covered by our hand in 1 minute. Angle covered by our hand in 1 minute is ये आपको
Sir,
मैंने
0.5.
या कौन से पॉइंट में लिखा है? सीधा point number 10. Look at the point number 10. There
Yes,
you
sir.
can see that the angle covered by our hand in 1 minute is 0.5 degrees. कितना rotate होता है our hand 1 minute में?
0.5 degree.
0.5 degree.
Angle covered by the our hand in 20 minutes will be 20 minutes में कितना करेगा? 0.5 multiplied by 20. So what is 0.5 multiplied by 20? It is 10 degrees. Answer is 10 degrees. Formula कितना आता है? 0.5 multiplied by 20 is equal to degrees. Clear?
Okay, sir.
You ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir, clocks is coming in the exam, no?
This is it will come in your reasoning exam. This is the topic of reasoning and it will be there in the UT.
So UTs में?
Yes, in the UT. It is an important topic. Okay. So next one. Are you all ready for the next one? Again, what is the angle covered by our hand? Again, our hand. Angle covered by the our hand in. Sorry, angle covered by the our hand from 2 25 a.m. from 2:25 a.m. to 2:55 a.m. Angle covered by the hour hand from 2:25 a.m. to 2:55 a.m. Tell me the angle covered by the hour hand.
Sir, it is
Sir,
very easy.
55 a.m.
From 2:25 a.m. to 2:55 a.m. Yes, who's telling the answer?
Sir,
Yes,
I
90.
could not see it clearly.
sorry. Beta 2:25, 2:55. This is 2:25 and this is 2:55.
Sir, 0.5 into 30.
So what is the answer?
Sir,
So 15.
15 degrees is the right answer.
yes, sir.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between the times? Between the
30
two times,
minutes.
what's the difference?
So 30 minutes.
The difference is of 30 minutes. Okay. Easily you can find out the difference. The difference is 30 minutes. Now, what is the angle covered in 30 minutes? In 1 minute, the angle covered by the hour hand. In 1 minute, the angle covered by the hour hand is
0.5.
0.5 degrees. Okay. In 30 minutes, the angle covered will be
0.5
0.5
into 30.
into 30. So this is 15 degrees.
15
Clear?
degree.
Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's move on to the next one.
Question number 5.
Ready for the next one, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, आपसे अच्छी रीजनिंग
बेटा, who is going to send today's work to me personally? कौन send करेगा मेरे
Sir.
को personally?
Sir, I.
You can send your work, today's work personally after the class, just after the class. Okay.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
send on the group. Send it to me personally on WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Question number 5.
And sir, please send me in the WhatsApp group the first class work.
You can ask your friends; they will send.
Okay, sir.
I made them write down some very important points. Okay. So you can note down those points. So now you have to tell me what is the angle by the hour hand. Again, note down the similar type of question. Only time I'm going to change only the time. Baki same. What is the angle covered by the hour hand?
What is
What is the angle covered by the hour hand?
Yes, sir.
From
From
7:10 a.m. to 7:10 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Angle covered by the hour hand from 7:10 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. From 7:10 a.m. to
Sir,
8:30.
40 degree.
I have taken your answer. I will tell you whether it is right or wrong.
They're wrong. Even 60, sir.
So 40 is the answer. 40 degree.
40 degrees.
60.
हमारी अच्छी है माय गॉड चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो 11 12
Yes, done, all of you.
Yes, sir.
So what is your answer?
Sir, the answer is 40 degree.
40 degree.
40 degrees. So most of you are saying that the answer is 40 degrees. Any other answer, anyone? Any other answer?
No, sir.
Okay. So what is the difference of between the time?
80 minutes.
कैसे निकालो?
80 minutes
7:10 से 8:10 तक 1 घंटा हो जाता है. 7:10 से 8:10
Yes, sir.
तक आप जाएंगे तो 1 hour हो जाएगा. That means 60 minutes.
yes sir
और ये 8:10 से 8:30 तक 20 minutes और हो गए. तो 60 plus 20 that means 80. Total time यहाँ पर कितना है? 80 minutes is the total time. Clear? What is the difference between the two times? 80 minutes is the difference. Now in 1 minute, now it is very easy to do. Very simple. 1 minute, the angle covered is 0.5 degrees. So what is the angle covered by the hour hand in 80
40.
minutes? It will be
40 degree.
40 degrees. Only 40 degrees the hour hand will move. Only 40 degrees. कैसे निकाला? 0.5 into 80. 0.5 into 80. This is 40 degrees. आप चाहें तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. You can write 0.5 instead of 0.5. You can write 1/2. 0.5 को 1/2 भी लिखते हैं. मालूम है क्या सबको?
सर मैं ऐसे करके करता हूँ.
1/2 multiplied by 80. यहाँ पे काट लीजिए इसको. You can simplify 1 and 40. So what is the answer? 40 degrees. So either you write like this or you write like this. You will get the same answer, 40 degrees.
sir done yes sir
Okay, next question पूछें जल्दी से. Question number 6.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the angle covered by the? What is the angle covered by the minute hand? Minute hand. Time बिल्कुल same रखा है मैंने. Hour hand की जगह minute hand कर दिया. Angle covered by the minute hand from 7:10 to 8:30. जल्दी से आंसर बताइए. Angle covered by the minute hand from 7:10 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Angle covered by the minute hand from 7:10 a.m. to 8:30 a.m.
60 degree
How much?
480
40 degrees.
40 minute hand. Angle covered by the minute hand.
Sir,
sir 480 degree
480.
Sir,
480
480 degree.
Some of you are giving the answer 480.
480.
sir,
I tell you 480
Sir,
degrees is the right answer. Absolutely correct. Very good.
Sir, I am.
The difference between the time 80 minutes. And in case of minute hand, when you are talking about the minute hand, what is the angle covered by minute hand in 1 minute? Tell me the angle covered by minute hand in 1 minute.
6.
6 degrees is the angle covered by minute hand in 1 minute. आप ध्यान से देखिए point number 7.
Yes, sir.
Point number 7. The angle covered by minute hand in 1 minute is 6 degrees.
Six.
देख लिया आपने? Angle
Yes, sir.
covered
Yes,
by
sir.
minute hand in 1 minute is 6 degrees. So in 80 minutes, what will be the angle covered? 6
6
multiplied
into
by
80.
80. So you get 480 degrees. What is the movement? 480 degrees. 480 डिग्री यानी कि एक कंप्लीट सर्कल हो जाएगा और उससे भी आगे जाना है. ओके क्लियर?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
480 degrees. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Continue the topic.
Sir,